If you're shopping for a compact SUV, you're probably staring at a Toyota Corolla Cross or a Mazda CX-30. But what if the smartest buy, the one that actually nails space and value, is the one you're ignoring? This is the 2026 Honda HR-V. It has tricks its competitors lack, and we're going to figure out if it's the unsung hero of the class. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know if this is your perfect daily driver. Section 1. The class above interior. Let's start with the HR-V's secret weapon, the interior. It's not just marketing fluff, it is genuinely huge. Sitting in the back, I've got 38 inches of legroom. Real adults actually fit here without knees digging into the seats. Drop the rear seats, and you unlock 55.1 cubic feet of cargo room. Whether it's a warehouse club run or a weekend camping trip, the HR-V swallows gear that makes rivals feel claustrophobic. It feels designed by people who actually use cars, not just engineers looking at a spreadsheet. Section 2. High value, low cost. But is it a good deal? For 2026, absolutely. Base models start around $26,000 with a standard 7-inch screen, but stepping up to the sports or ELL trims gets you a crisp 9-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad. Best of all, Honda Sensing is standard on every trim. You get adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist right out of the box without climbing an expensive trim ladder. The features per dollar ratio here is incredibly strong. Section 3. The drive. On the road, the HR-V prioritizes comfort over chaos. Because it shares a platform with the excellent Honda Civic, it rides smoothly and steers confidently. Under the hood is a 2-liter, 158-horsepower engine paired with a CVT. It's not a sports car, but for city driving, it's quiet, capable, and efficient, delivering a solid 28 mpg combined. It is engineered to be a painless, dependable partner for your daily commute. Section 4. The trade-offs. However, I promised you an honest review, so here are the downsides. The main weakness is that engine. 158 horsepower is fine in the city, but merging onto a fast highway makes it sound buzzy and winded. The 0 to 60 time is around 9.4 seconds. Turbocharged rivals like the Mazda CX-30 will leave it in the dust. Also, keep in mind that base models lack rear air vents and USB ports, which can be annoying for passengers in the summer. And unlike Subaru, all-wheel drive is an extra cost, not standard. So, is the 2026 HR-V the sleeper hit of the year? If you live for thrilling acceleration, this isn't for you. Go buy a turbo. But if you want a smart, incredibly practical vehicle that dominates on value and reliability, this is the champion. It's the SUV for the buyer who wants a car that just works. What do you think? Is the practicality enough to win you over, or is the slow 0 to 60 a deal breaker? Let me know in the comments. And for more nonsense reviews, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.